Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We got a storm, a windstorm. Wind keeps blowing stuff at me and my car keeps moving around. I've got it parked on the side of a building to keep it protected, and oh my goodness, check that out. Oh, wow. This wind is crazy sometimes. It's died down for a minute, but it's still blowing. It's just not as much. Look at all the dust in the air. Sometimes you can't see very far. It's got a lot of dust in the air. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not. But it's noisy. My car keeps moving around. I wish I had a place to live. This is so hard on me. Anyway, have a good day, everybody. I wish mine was better. Hopefully it'll get that way.